Hey everybody, welcome back to Structural. Today we're breaking down the different types of reinforced cement concrete, RCC slabs. Whether you're a seasoned builder, an architect just starting out, or just a homeowner who wants to be informed, this video is for you. We're going to dive deep, make sure you understand the pros and cons of each type, and how to make sure you're getting the right slab for the job. Let's get to it. First up, we've got the workhorse of the concrete slab world, the plain slab. These slabs are as straightforward as they come. Flat, uniform thickness, no frills. You'll find them in a lot of basic construction, especially in low-rise buildings. They're great for areas where you don't have heavy loads or a lot of complex structural needs. But remember, they're not designed for heavy-duty applications or buildings with a lot of stories. For those situations, you'll need to step up to a different type of slab. Next up, we're talking about one-way slabs. They're supported on two opposite sides and they're designed to carry the load primarily in one direction along the shorter span. Think of it like a bridge. The weight of the cars is carried along the shorter span. They're often used in floor systems where you have a long hallway or a narrow room. One-way slabs are usually thinner, which means they use less concrete, but remember, they're designed for loads primarily in one direction. Make sure you consult a structural engineer to make sure a one-way slab is right for your project. Now let's talk about two-way slabs, the versatile all-rounders of the concrete slab world. Two-way slabs are supported on all four sides and can handle loads coming from any direction. They're the go-to choice for most residential and commercial buildings because they offer excellent strength and stability, because they're designed to handle loads in both directions. Two-way slabs are generally thicker than one-way slabs. This means they require more concrete and reinforcement, which can add to the cost. When you need a slab that can handle whatever you throw at it, a two-way slab is the way to go. Let's talk about flat slabs, the minimalist heroes of modern construction. Flat slabs transfer the load directly to the columns without the need for bulky beams. This gives you a clean, open look underneath, which is why architects love them for modern, minimalist designs. Plus, it opens up your options when it comes to running electrical and plumbing lines. But flat slabs require precise engineering and careful construction to make sure the load is transferred properly to the columns. So, if you're considering flat slabs, make sure you've got a skilled engineer and contractor on board. Now, sometimes you need a slab that can handle long spans without breaking the bank or weighing down your foundation. That's where ribbed slabs, also known as waffle slabs, come in. These slabs are easily recognizable by their grid-like pattern of ribs or beams running across the underside. This design reduces the amount of concrete needed while still providing the strength and support you need for larger areas. You'll often find ribbed slabs used in industrial buildings, parking garages, or any structure where you need to cover a large area without intermediate columns. And because they use less concrete, they're lighter than traditional slabs, which can save you money on foundation costs and materials. Let's talk about precast concrete, specifically hollow core slabs. These slabs are cast off-site in a factory and then transported to the construction site, ready to be lifted into place. This prefabrication process speeds up construction time and reduces on-site labor costs. The hollow core part of the name is important. These slabs have large voids or openings running through them, which significantly reduces their weight. You'll often see hollow core slabs used in multi-story buildings, apartments and hotels. Plus, those hollow cores can be used to run electrical and plumbing lines, which further streamlines the construction process. Finally, let's talk about pre-stressed slabs, the high-performance athletes of the concrete world. These slabs undergo a special treatment where steel cables are either pre-tensioned or post-tensioned within the concrete. This creates internal stresses that counteract the forces the slab will experience under load. Pre-stressing gives the slab a head start in resisting bending and deflection, which means it can span greater distances and handle heavier loads than a traditional reinforced concrete slab. Pre-stressed slabs are more complex to design and construct than other types of slabs, but the benefits are undeniable. They offer increased strength and durability, reduced cracking, and they allow for longer spans with thinner profiles. So there you have it, folks, a crash course in the different types of RCC slabs. Remember, choosing the right slab is crucial for the safety and longevity of your building. If you're unsure about which type of slab is right for your project, consult with a qualified structural engineer. And remember, always hire experienced and licensed contractors who are familiar with the intricacies of concrete construction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe, build smart, and remember, do it right the first time.